Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. I completed my eyebrows off camera, but if you guys want to achieve this eyebrow, I will link the video for my eyebrow tutorial up right here. You guys can just click on it and watch it. To start off, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige to conceal my eyelids. So today we're going to be using the infamous Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. And we're also going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. We're going to be taking this nice blue and putting it all over the crease, making sure to blending it in up above, almost reaching my eyebrow, but not really. Next color we're going to be using is this nice green from the BH Cosmetics Brazil palette. So as you guys can see, that I'm going back and forth, making sure everything is nicely blended. The next step we're going to be doing is cutting the crease, but we're not going to fully cut the crease. You guys can see that I'm cutting the crease almost only halfway in, and I'm going to only extend the wing. So it's not fully cutting the crease, it's halfway with a tail. I'm also going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can see that I'm just slightly extending the wing because I really want it to be a thin line. On the top part of the crease, basically I added more blue than green, and at the bottom of where the liner is, I added more green than blue. We're now going to be going into the Zulu palette, taking this nice green. I also sprayed my brush with the NYX Dewy setting spray. We're going to be taking this green and applying it only midway from where we cut the actual crease. So from the inner corner to almost before the actual cut crease is ended. So keep applying, making sure to pack on the color. It's a very beautiful color. Make sure you pack it on. Taking the Zulu palette, we're going to be taking this nice blue and spraying our brush first before applying it on the lid. And we're going to be applying it beside the green and where the cut of the crease is ending. Going back into the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to be taking this nice navy blue, these two navy blue colors. We're going to be putting it where the liner of basically of the cut crease is. After completing the step, I added eyeliner. This is in the color green. So you can see I'm going to be only aligning on top of where I added my black liner. As you guys can see, I'm also going to be lining where I cut the crease. I didn't extend it fully, but I stopped it at between the navy and the glitter, and before coming into the inner corner. After finishing, I made sure to apply my lashes, and I also added some pure mascara. Now we're moving on to skin, and I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my foundation. Everything that I used in the video will be linked below. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm annoying right now. Why?
I'll appreciate your neck. So everybody,
see, appreciate your neck. Grab your neck.
That you...
I love you, neck.
I love your neck.
Yes, Nicole.
My neck feels so.